guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be finally sitting down and playing with the conspiracy palette, the Shane, Dawson, and Jeffree Star one. I had so much fun. I know my hair's still kind of crazy and stuff, but yeah. But I just wanted to play with something and have fun and feel kind of a starlit, old, vintage look today. But yeah, so let's dive in and see how I created this look for you guys, okay? Like I said in my intro, I'm going to be playing with the conspiracy palette. I'm so excited. I thought since my hair is still kind of cute looking and stuff, I finally got it tamed. And stuff. I know this is going to go up a little bit later on the weekend, but I'm bored because I have other plans for Wednesday. I think this will go up on Thursday. But I haven't really got to open or do anything with this palette and stuff because I still have, when I bought it, I just left it. I haven't took anything off. So this is so... Oh, there's a... Guys, there's a shadow. I don't know if you can see that. But this shadow is popping out. That's not cool. I don't know if I can get... Yeah, it's like ready to pop out. But I just wanted to play with it and stuff and see, because it's, even this one's raised up. What the heck? Oh, guys. That one is really, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it is ready to pop out. Fudge McMuffin. Sorry. Yeah, I'm not sure what I want to do, because I want to keep it kind of classy since my hair is like very classy and got those old vintage curls look going on. And no, when I did the video for this hair look, it was really poofy and I couldn't control it, and I felt like freaking Betty Boop, freaking Mad Hatter to my point of view and stuff. But I got it to control down. But yeah, enough talking. I am actually gonna go do that one that's popping up, or my pill. I'm gonna use my pill. It's really pretty. I want to use not a factor. Maybe I'll make it sultry look. Some of the colors are really flippin' pretty, like Dirty Cola, Sleep Paralysis, Illuminati. Oh my god, so pretty. And this one is from BH. It's number 8. Some of the stuff is so pretty. Oh, excuse me. But I'm feeling kind of icky. You'll probably see in my other video before this that I'll probably be a little bit better. It says, I suffer from a thing called gastritis, and it makes it hard for me sometimes to eat certain foods. I have to be really cautious, and with what's going on, I have to eat what I have, and it's not all the greatest, which makes my stomach go, ugh. I'm gonna wipe that one off, and I'm gonna go on with pig meat and trying to deep that up, and then I'm gonna, I'm not sure yet, I'll figure it out. There's so many pretty colors in this. I want to deepen up my crease a little. Oh, that is so pretty. I can honestly just leave it, if you guys can see. Let me zoom you guys in. I keep forgetting to zoom you guys in. I'm so forgetful sometimes. So hold on. Alright, so there we go. Sorry about that. I keep forgetting. I'm so sidetracked. I just try to jump right in. But that, it's just so pretty. Okay. I'm gonna use this no name brand, and I'm actually, where's she? find one that's not too dense. Alright, so another Nomi brand. Now I think I'm gonna go in with my rights here. Oh, wow, that's that black, and just deepen up the corners, and then I'm gonna put on Not a Fact. Because some of his blacks are really flippin' pretty. I don't know how the quality of this black is gonna work. Oh, that's so pretty. It's kind of chalky a little bit to my... I'm not scared of using black, but that is a little soft. And I'm not... Another thing is, I tapped off a lot just now. Bring it down just a little bit on the under eye. So I will deepen it up with the red, or burgundy. It's like a burgundy, I should say. It's really pretty. But yeah. It's a little chalky. I'm trying to really not bring it out too much, but it's kind of falling everywhere. Okay. Grabbing another brush. I'm gonna use this. It's another, I don't know. I'm going to use this BH number 6. I'm going to go in with that Not a Fact color. It's really pretty. And just deepen up right here. Oh, that's so pretty. I'm trying to keep the outer part that really black. Right here, I'm just deepening it up. I would like to play with this color by itself. It would be without the blacker and stuff. That would be really pretty. You know, this one took way over to the eye. But I'll cover it up. I think I'm gonna go in with that pigment color and just bring it down here. It's really pretty. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna grab this big flat fluffy brush and I'm gonna find, because I don't think did I put away? Wait. Oh, there it is. Right away. I'm gonna put in my next glitter glue and put that all over. Grab that. need to fix the top of that a little bit. So I'm gonna go in with I don't want to go too dark, so I think I'm gonna go in with Conspiracy and Spiraling, which are the two ones that have that Shane Dawson symbol, and it's really pretty. I'm gonna go in first with the Conspiracy one, really pretty green, and put this a little bit right here, and that's all. Oh my god, that is so pretty. And just kind of smoosh it out. That is really pretty. Now I'm gonna go in with Spiraling, which is dark. I'm just gonna go light. Oh. Of all times, cats. That's pretty. It is a little bit dark. I should have gone with Sleep Paralysis probably, but can turn back now. I'm gonna go in with that plum color and work that in. Because it does not look like there's any coloring right here. That's pretty. Get that black. I think I'm gonna so use that pig color on the bottom, and I think I'll add a little bit of something else. I'm not sure. Okay, so let's see. Try to think what I want to add. Let me use this no-name brand brush on. I'm gonna go with a little bit of Flaming Hot. and just put just the faintest. I'm barely touching this ad. Oh, and then I'm gonna go over with the Pig's Meat color again, just to blend the two to deepen it. There's no added product. I'm just trying to blend the two colors together. I don't know what's going on, but my eyes look kind of muggy right now. Just got it. Okay, this is all I can do. Okay. I'm going to use this little fan brush that I have, and I'm going to go in with Ranch. Everyone raves how well that does for a highlighter in an inner corner. And that is really pretty. And I'll bring it a little bit down. That is really pretty, guys. Ooh. Okay, so I did that, and I'm gonna go off camera and finish the rest of my look, like my normal and stuff, and yeah, see where I go from this. Okay, guys? Okay, guys, so this is the final look. I feel pretty. Not bad. Some of it is kind of like smudging funny, but it's okay. I think it's pretty. I decided to go with another red lip, which is in Designer's Blood from Jeffree Star. I don't have any of the Shane Dawson ones at all. And yeah. And the lashes are from Amy June Lashes, and they're in the style Audrey. And so I thought a little bit of starlit lashes to go along. My waterline is from NYX. It's the Flex Black in Burnt Siren. It's really pretty and stuff, but yeah, I really like this. I am going to be doing a free looks with this beauty right here. But yeah, I really enjoyed having fun with it, and I can't wait to play with more of these and stuff. I have a lot to do. I got time to do it right now. But yeah, so this is my first impression on this and stuff. I know it's been around for a while, but my first thought and I just love it. Sorry. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video. If you guys do, give it a like down below. And if you aren't, subscribe. Click the subscribe button and the notification bell too. And you can follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And I do have a Facebook page for my YouTube channel too. But yeah, until next time, you guys have a wonderful day and keep safe, okay? Love you all. Bye.